So the first question asks, what is the effect of latitude on the distribution of temperature? And I wrote that latitude changes in the amount of insolation it receives from the sun, which explains the variations in temperature according to latitude. Next part asks, is the relationship clearer in the January, July, or annual mean temperature distribution? I wrote that the relationship is clearer on the annual mean temperature distribution. Next, provide a hypothesis for this observed pattern. I wrote that my hypothesis is that in viewing the globe during a specific season, the overall latitudes that receive the most insolation are not as apparent, and that it takes the whole picture during a year to see that the equator remains the warmest on average. Number two asks, what is the effect of the seasons on the temperature distribution? I wrote that the seasons affect temperature distribution based on the energy that is directed over a specific part of the hemisphere, as well as the part of the hemisphere that receives less energy. For a given latitude, I put that the temperature distribution varies for the northern and southern hemispheres, but remains generally consistent at and near the equator. One asks, which is colder in the winter, the continents or the ocean? I put the continents are colder in the winter, which is hotter in the summer, the continents or the ocean. I put the continents are hotter than the summer. And my explanation is that it takes more energy to heat the ocean versus the continents in the summer, and it takes longer to cool the ocean than the continents in the winter, because the specific heat of water can be up to 5 times greater than a land surface.